All right, this is on how to remove the factory stereo amplifier out of your Lincoln. So that amplifier is held on by screws that are facing the opposite direction. So you will have to remove the back seat, which is pretty easy. You have just a couple of these 18mm nuts to loosen up. The bottom part of the seat you just push in and up, there's no fasteners, and then this part you push. Once you loosen the fasteners, you have to push up on this. So once you get this out of your way, you're gonna have this sound deadening foam in the way, which I'm just gonna get rid of. You know, you can keep it or get rid of it. And then your amp is gonna be mounted here with these 3 little screws. So unfortunately there is no way to get to it from the opposite side. There's no nut to undo. You have to get it from this side. And while you're at it, I mean, I'm taking all this leather out and I'm gonna give it a real nice cleaning. And you know, I'm not gonna need this sound deadening stuff, so you can just pull all that stuff out if you want to, you know, have a little weight reduction. But yeah, kind of a pain, you know. You do have to remove the seat. There's no other way, but otherwise you'd have to get in there with like a sawzall or something and just cut out the bracing that it's mounted to. But yeah, not too difficult.